What's up, TompaBanana here! Yay, 100 subscribers, that's awesome. I'm gonna use this paper for the play button, 100 subscribers play button, and it's just ordinary paper that I got wet and used some cocoa to make the pattern here, and it smells awesome. So I'm gonna use Photoshop to make a template. Here we go. Okay, so I think this will work. Time to print it out, see how it looks. Oh yeah, awesome. Just gonna cut it down a little bit. Oh yeah, cool, cool. This is the back side. Thanks everyone for subscribing, it means a lot. Thank you very much.